here today to talk about a feature that we've offered here recently. We have a two-in-one here, as you see. We have our tried and true Strobel HD12, and then we also have attached it to the SD8700 Packer. We look here, it's a great combination for haul roads and packing all in one. Some of the things as we walk around here, you can see on this combination, we've got great ground clearance. We want to be able to demonstrate with the HD12 and of course with the SD8700, you can see we got ground clearance. You're going from job site to job site, project to project. You can see here with the assist wheels, we can get up and down the road very efficiently and safely. This lift system we've had for years. Again, we've got a double cylinders on here to lift up. This is an 8-foot drum that you could put 1,100 gallons of water in. As you notice here, we've got hard surfaces on the end of the teeth on the drum. The Strobel Packer also has a unique feature that anybody that runs a packer will know that while packing, you get into some moist materials, the material will want to stick on the drum. So what we've done here is we put these big wiper plates in there. So as every rotation, it's stripping the dirt back off. So we're keeping a full depth on our penetration while packing. Definitely a feature that Strobel offers on that. Over here is another unique feature that's new. Very robust, quick uncouple hitch system that we offer. We do have different combinations, but for this, we would recommend this type of a design here. Simply a pull of a pin and uncouple the hydraulics and you're free from it. Where you can then obviously be pulling a single unit, the box scraper. As you look down the side here, this is something we always offer, Strobel does, the very heavy duty side plates with the wear plates that could be replaced, both side and the greater blades. We work awful hard here in our design to be able to make sure that we have an open bowl type system so no dirt gets hung up in there. We got the stiffener plate in here also for handling the side loads. One thing to point out here up on the front, the hitch. This is one combination of multiple combinations of hitches that we offer. This is your standard drawbar hitch here right now. But then also we have the adjustability for that for different drawbar heights. We just introduced this recently, the hydraulic locking system. While traveling down the road, you can safely transport without any seepage in your hydraulic system. Also on the Strobel combination here, the HD12 and the SD8700, we've added additional reinforcement into the rear lift assembly to support and pull the Packer. As you can see right here, we've got the double cylinders on here, standard on all Strobel HD12s. And again, here on the hitch, to point out, we've got adjustability also built into that to match up to your tractors. As you're considering a combination Strobel HD, SD8700, we also offer a 20-foot HD and a double drum packer system. You can see here I've got really tight turning radiuses, carrying just a nice amount of dirt in the box scraper as we level out this haul road. We're also packing at the same time. We've got about a 325 horsepower tractor on it right now. Go ahead and make a 180-degree turn here. As you can see, I could have turned it even shorter. I'm going to go ahead and get into a little bit of a cut here. Just knocking down the high edges on this haul road. as anybody that moves dirt, you'll find that we have some organic material in this spread. We're not building a building pad here, so the owner is not overly concerned about the organic materials in here. As you can see on here, we have the assist wheels on the packer. It's just if we got ourselves into some wet spots, we can easily lift up the rear wheels. Currently running about 6.5 miles per hour. This combination here, you're going to be in at about that 300 to 350 horse combination, depending on your soil types. For the HD20, you're going to be in that 500 horse type range to pull the 20 and the double drum.
Strobel Manufacturing. Better by design.